Hi, I'm Dara Monifa Cooper, your Cooperative Extension Service Communication Specialist in the area of PR, technology, distance and online learning with the University of the Virgin Islands School of Agriculture. And just letting you know what's going on at UVISOA because we have one ongoing and two upcoming free webinars for anyone to attend. Farmers are our priority audience, but our trainings and everything are for everyone in the community. So you can attend if you'd like to. There's a technology workshop where I'm teaching Zoom, WhatsApp, and Microsoft Teams. There's a Caribbean Healthy Homes where you can learn how to use healthier products in your home or in your office or wherever else. And there's a Sustainable Agriculture Inputs webinar. So you can learn more about the inputs that those in the area of agriculture are using, or if that's yourself. The technology workshop started already, and we're kind of in the middle of it. It's a series. So we started with Zoom last week. This week we're doing WhatsApp, and next week we're doing Microsoft Teams. And then thereafter, for another week or so, I'll be just taking appointments to assist people with whichever one of those they need some assistance with. And those happen on Mondays from 7 to 9 p.m., on Thursdays from 12 to 1 p.m. And you can visit our website for any of these webinars, ces.uvi.edu. To find out more information, you can click on it and the flyer will open up for you, as well as the registration link is right there. So ces.uvi.edu. The second webinar coming up is also tomorrow, Thursday, June 24th, 6 to 8 p.m. So Dale Morton will be facilitating the Caribbean Healthy Homes webinar. And that's where you can learn about using different types of more natural products for taking care of all sorts of different things around the home or office. The third webinar is a Sustainable Agriculture Inputs webinar. So Dr. Lois Peterson, Jr., Dr. Amy Dreves, and Vanessa Forbes, as well as others who will be presenting, are going to do that webinar from 9 to 3 next week, Thursday, June 29th, via Zoom. All of these are via Zoom. Okay, so for more information, you can visit ces.uvi.edu, or if you want things to be emailed to you, you can shoot me a message at dcooper@uvi.edu for assistance and information on any of these. All webinars, again, are open to the public, and the one that's ongoing, you can still register for it. So just go ahead to that website and we'll see you there. Please pass on the information to anyone else that might be able to utilize this. Take care.